The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is an off-road focused midsize pickup truck designed for serious adventurers who demand capability, durability, and advanced technology. As part of Toyota's legendary Tacoma lineup, the Trailhunter is purpose-built for overlanding and extreme off-road performance, featuring factory-installed upgrades that make it ready for rugged trails right from the dealership. With a reinforced chassis, a powerful hybrid engine, and advanced off-road components, the Tacoma Trailhunter offers a unique combination of toughness and modern convenience. On the exterior, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter stands out with its aggressive and functional design. It features a bold front grille with an integrated steel bumper and a high-clearance skid plate for added protection. The LED headlights and fog lights ensure optimal visibility in harsh conditions, while the rugged fender flares give it a wider stance. The truck rides on 33-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around robust 18-inch wheels, providing excellent grip on rocky and muddy trails. Toyota has also equipped the Trailhunter with a lifted suspension, offering increased ground clearance for better approach and departure angles. The truck bed includes a 2,400-watt onboard power inverter and multiple tie-down points, making it ideal for carrying gear and setting up camp in remote locations. A factory-installed snorkel is available for improved engine air intake when driving through deep water or dusty environments. Under the hood, the Tacoma Trailhunter is powered by Toyota's advanced iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, providing exceptional low-end power for tackling steep inclines and rough terrain. The hybrid system enhances fuel efficiency without compromising performance, making it a practical choice for long-distance off-road travel. The Trailhunter is equipped with a high-strength 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth power delivery and durability under extreme conditions. Toyota's advanced four-wheel drive system with an electronic locking rear differential further enhances traction and stability on slippery or uneven surfaces. The truck's suspension is specifically tuned for off-road adventures, featuring Old Man Emu shocks and heavy-duty springs that provide excellent damping and shock absorption on rough trails. A multi-link rear suspension system replaces the traditional leaf springs, improving ride comfort and handling. The Tacoma Trailhunter also includes multiple drive modes such as mud, sand, and rock crawl, allowing drivers to customize performance based on the terrain. The crawl control system acts as an off-road cruise control, maintaining a steady speed over obstacles without requiring throttle or brake input. Additionally, the multi-terrain monitor provides a real-time 360-degree view of the surroundings, helping drivers navigate tight trails with confidence. Inside, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter offers a comfortable and technology-packed cabin designed for both off-road and everyday driving. The interior features durable yet premium materials with water-resistant upholstery that can withstand dirt and mud. Heated and ventilated front seats ensure comfort in any weather, while the power-adjustable driver's seat provides an optimal driving position. The rear seats offer ample space for passengers or additional storage for gear. A 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, providing seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster displays essential vehicle data, including pitch and roll angles for off-road driving. A premium JBL audio system with a subwoofer and portable Bluetooth speaker is available, ensuring high-quality sound both inside and outside the truck. Toyota has also integrated multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and an advanced climate control system to enhance convenience. Safety is a priority, and the Tacoma Trailhunter is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. Rear cross-traffic alert and parking sensors help drivers maneuver safely in tight spaces, while the high-strength frame and multiple airbags provide excellent crash protection. With its rugged design, powerful hybrid engine, advanced off-road capabilities, and modern technology, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is a top choice for adventure seekers. Whether tackling challenging trails, exploring remote destinations, or handling daily driving needs, the Trailhunter is built to deliver reliability, performance, and versatility in any environment.